When you panic, you start to hyperventilate, especially with public speaking. Now, if you have to sit in a meeting or you're speaking on a platform or in front of just your peers, sometimes when you feel a bit awkward or uncomfortable, we start doing shallow breathing. We're hyperventilating. We're not getting enough oxygen into our body. The bad effect of this is your heart rate goes up because your heart is trying to pump your blood around your body, which carries oxygen. So you get into a hyperventilating state. You go red, you start sweating, everything goes wrong for you. How can you stop this from happening and calm yourself down? Now you can do this while you're in a meeting at a boardroom table and you feel you have to do a feedback in front of all your peers and you feel a bit awkward or uncomfortable and you're getting your hyperventilating state. What do? How do you do it? How do you calm yourself down in 3 or 5 minutes? I'm going to share with you a simple breathing technique that I've learned and that I've applied so many times when I feel the pressure is on, the stakes are high, and I need to be calm. I'm going to show you what happens. Now, what you don't want to do is when you do shallow breathing, the graph almost looks like this. Have you been there? I've been there. It's a terrible state to be in. So to calm yourself down, you know what? I've got this Garmin watch and maybe you've got another device and maybe some people have heart rate monitors around them. But here's what you can do. I've tried this so many times. If you have one, please try this. This is amazing. What you want to do is to get your heart rate down. And how you do it, a breathing exercise, is do this. Breathe in for 5 seconds. And then hold it for 5 seconds. And then slowly exhale through your nose. And then hold it for another 5 seconds. And then breathe in. Hold it. And exhale. Slowly exhale through your nose. When you do this, I've seen my heart rate being at 72 or 76. Within 2 to 3 minutes, I can get my heart rate as low as 44 beats per second. And you know what happens? I get a lot more oxygen into my lungs and my heart rate goes down. So it's a great breathing exercise. The Special Forces does something called box breathing. So they do something, see which one works best for you. They do this. They breathe in 3 times to get maximum oxygen into their lungs. They go, so good, and then they hold it and exhale slowly. And then you go, maximum, hold it, and exhale slowly. So see which one works best for you. I particularly love the one at the top. I feel like if I'm in between people and I do, you might think I've got a runny nose or something, so it's a bit weird. So I just do it slowly, exhale in and hold it, and slowly exhale through my nose. This calms me down. So next time you have to do a presentation and you feel like you're getting in a hyperventilating state, you feel a panic going on, this is a great exercise to calm yourself down. My name is Trevor Ambrose. Follow us on our website at trevorambrose.com or go to our social media platform where we have a lot of free videos as well.